Lovely Professional University School of Computer Science and Engineering presents CSE is section of the year 2K20.
Parul, the guidelines and rules are pretty simple for this competition. And when I was told that I have to host a technical quiz event, I was shaken to my core because I am someone who is not from a technical background and it was very difficult. But nevertheless, the rules for today are that the quiz will be based on technical and current affairs. It will be an MCQ based quiz. There are in all 10 questions, out of which 5 will be from the technical aspect and 5 will be from current affairs. The next rule is that 2 members from each team will participate and be present in the Google Meet at all times. Then 10 seconds per question will be given after the question. After that, the 10 seconds are done, the question will be changed, and negative marking of 25% is applicable for every wrong answer. Then the next rule is that the students will be given the Google form for providing the answers. I believe they are with you already. The next rule is that the team with the highest scores wins the competition. And students have to put their cameras on during the competition. The parameter for evaluation is pretty simple, maximum correct answers. The
So,
next rule is that
yeah.
in case there is a tie for the first position, the team with the faster response time will win. Winners, runner-up, and second runner-up of the subcategory will add 10, 6, and 4 points respectively to their team's total. The next rule is that, and a very important one, I must say, that in case of any misconduct or any issue created by students, the team will straight away be disqualified from the competition. Next is that the winner of the subcategory will get a certificate of merit. This is only applicable to the top 3 winners. And the results will be announced today itself, so stay tuned and all the very best.
Thank you so much, Ashwin. In short, this is exactly like a midterms. You have a clock on your head, but this time it is not 2 minutes, it is 10 seconds. And negative
Yes,
marking.
and the negative marking is quite high, I must say.
And and I would like to tell you that
Hello, good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So we have the Dean of Lovely Professional University, School of Computer Science and Engineering, Amandeep Nagpal, sir. It's so good to have you, sir, at this moment with us.
It's
How
my
are you
pleasure.
doing?
It's my pleasure. All well, all well. So I was busy in some back-to-back events, but I committed to Chirag and my team that I'll be there. So
We are really delighted to have you, sir. So, sir, we would like you to do the honor of announcing the result of quiz CSE 2020 section of the year.
Parul, I have to send sir the result also. So just give us 2 minutes.
Sure, sir.
okay.
Definitely, sir.
So it was very exciting watching all of you putting hard efforts. So I witnessed some of the events where I could see strong competitive spirit among students. So this fully demonstrates that our students, they are very, they are having the harmonious spirit, and they were carrying that positivity and cheerfulness while participating in these events. So it's all due to the efforts of each one of you that we have been able to uh, launch this event, and I hope that it has been truly a good learning experience for all of you. So dear students, remember, victory comes from striving to do your best, and success is all about how to carry out the process. So I hope that everyone takes away some wonderful memories along with. So I'm truly moved by all my students. I wish you all the very best. God bless you all.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so
sir.
much.
Your words means world to us. Sir, I would like to ask you, how did you like this concept section of the year 2020?
Yeah, it's truly amazing. My only concern was how could my team manage this event, because working from home and operating remotely, there are a lot of challenges, and people have not experienced the scale with which at which we operate. So that was the only concern. Idea was amazing, because behind the idea was passion. So once Chirag talked to me and said, "Sir, I want to go ahead," so me and Sopti sir immediately gave a nod to him. Please go ahead. Don't worry about any consequences, or maybe worry about the shortcomings that could happen due to uh, the paucity of resources or time, because it can happen that not many students would participate due to their own obligations. But again, the turnout was good, and I'm quite amazed that if we could manage this event remotely, this is going to become an annual feature in our calendar, Chirag. So we are going to scale up this event, and I'm very sure that my team is going to make this as maybe a one of the kind event in the campus. Just like we
Yeah.
have one India and one world. This could be a start to something big and new in our university.
Sir, actually would like to tell you one thing. We don't have that many responses for Spectra this time around online conduct with the responses that we are getting for CSE section of the year. So it's going to be very big, hopefully. But let's just hope that we should come to university first, and then we'll turn it to section of the year in place of CSE section of the year. Let's compete with other schools in this particular feature.
This is surely going to happen, Chirag. Don't worry.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So you can totally see the sportsman spirit and the competitive nature of our students. So what would you like to tell all the participants who are going to be, I mean to say, who are not going to win today? I believe you still want them to participate in other events with the same
Of
sportsman
course,
spirit, right?
participation is more important than winning. So
Exactly.
it always starts some point in the career. So everybody is not expecting to be a winner, right in the very first event when he or she is going to participate. I'm very sure not many students did participate just for the sake of getting to know about the system, and they want to see where they are. So right now, if you are not winning, or if you're not scoring you're not in the top 2 or top 3 positions, don't worry, because in times to come you have seen that what is the benchmark and what are the major challenges that can be thrown to you. So I'm very sure that in times to come, for students who have joined us in lovely professional university in this year, or maybe the second year students, you still have some time with you, and you can then work on the experiences that you have learned from events like this. So this is not going to be the only event happening. We'll be conducting a lot many other events also. So it's always a learning curve. So we always learn from not only from mistakes, but from our good experiences also. So I'm very sure that many of you had good experiences. So even if you have not won the event or cracked the first or second positions, don't lose heart. It's always good to learn from our participation, and I'm very sure my students are thoroughly professional, so they will abide by whatever I am saying. Okay. So Chirag,
We
are you
stand by
ready
your
with the
words,
result?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. All
So
right,
yes,
everyone.
yes, sir. I have messaged you the result of quiz. So you can announce it. Sir, I would like you to announce it.
Yes.
Ideally, it should be you who should be doing the honors. You have
Now,
been
sir,
the leading light.
the reason why I'm here is you, so I want you to do it.
Okay. So I'm announcing the results for the quiz. The team at the third position who have secured third prizes, Team Blaze, Section K20RB. Let's give them a round of applause. Team Blaze. The team at the second position is Green India, Section K20GR. And the winners of the event,
Thank you, sir.
any guesses? Is the Whalers, K19GR. They bagged the first position. The Whalers,
Congratulations to everyone.
K19GR. It's good.
Congratulations.
Yeah, it's good that two of the winning teams are from first year. So that's really, something that makes me really, filled with energy and enthusiasm that we are seeing good response from our first year.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir. Actually, I'm also compiling the results of the CSE section of the year. Mostly, I think 30 seconds it will take. for
Okay,
me
okay,
to
you go
announce.
ahead.
Yeah.
Carry on,
Yeah.
Chirag, carry on, carry on.
Yeah. So, sir, I want you to announce it only.
Yes, sir. Sir, you are such a prominent personality. So in this pandemic, how are you able to keep your focus on work? Because right now we all are kind of stale at this moment because we are
Mhm.
working from home. So how are you still able to, get out of bed with the same enthusiasm as you used to during Lovely Professional University time being?
Exactly, sir.
So see, we do have more responsibilities than you. So we were not constrained by the clock. So we are working throughout the day. So people like me, we never see that it's 8 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock in the evening. If it's the duty, if it's the responsibility that is beholded on me. So I'll try my best to meet up to the expectations of my seniors, my authorities, and my students. So that is something that we have learned from this pandemic, that it's not about fixed duty hours, but life is very flexible, and try to consume as much as you can, and then try to offer your best. So we are not much bothered about the time constraints, as simple as that. Maybe I am sometimes working in the night also, in the early morning also. So you see, doing workout, taking time, giving time to the family, giving time to my job, to profession, and to my students. This has to happen throughout the day. So do not be bothered about that. Now the duty hours are over and let me switch up my mode from duty to family or family to duty. It's all one family only. And when you have passion, you're not bothered about all these constraints. The only thing that we are missing is the physical interactions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very much actually.
Yeah, it's long time, but then again.
So, sir, as we noticed that two of the teams were from the first year, and it is actually quite commendable of a moment for the School of Computer Science Engineering. How do you feel about being a part of such a block that has been bringing laurels so many times to the school?
That should, so you see, it's all team effort again. Some people actively participating. You see, some people are. Let's take example of One India, One World. It's not about a set of students who are representing the school. It's about the efforts being put up by a lot of your batchmates and classmates who may not be eventually participating in the final event, but then they are the real force behind, or they are the real motivators. Maybe they are helping you to uh, take the recoup sessions, because once you're preparing for an event, so you must have missed certain classes also. So your classmates, your batchmates are definitely motivating you or helping you to recoup from those sessions or from those lectures that you have missed in the classes. And then a lot of experience sharing that happens in the classes. So you do get that message from your batchmates and classmates that what happened in the class, some wow moments, those happenings in the classes. So those students, those teachers, they will always try to take care of good things that happen in the back, and they are made known to you, in even if you are not attending those classes. So the only concern again here is that, you see, third and final year students, they are not participating because they may feel that they are seniors now and it's time for juniors to start participating. That could be one thing that is positive. But then again, I think most of our seniors should also be participating because they are the ones who are leaving the legacy behind. So if
Yes,
they are
sir.
nurturing the juniors well, so it could be a good thing. What I see is that you people, you surely are senior, second, third, fourth year students. Most of the host and anchors, they are second, third, fourth year students.
Yes, sir.
Very few anchors we will see in the first year. So it's a reverse trend. Ideally, the anchoring should be done by first year students,
Yes,
and
sir.
participation should be more from third and final year students. So when they were into first year, they were participating more. But as
Exactly.
they become senior, they may feel that okay, it's the time to pass the baton to the juniors, but it's not like that. In events like this, where there is competitive spirit, everybody should participate wholeheartedly, and it happens. Sometimes it happens.
Yes, sir. The
Definitely,
field
sir.
of anchoring is actually addictive. It's not easy to leave it just like that.
Yeah, but
Yes.
once you become senior, na, there's something like a biased opinion also that comes into personality. It can happen because when you know the system more, so
Yes,
it
sir.
could happen that even anchors sometimes get biased.
Yes, sir.
Freshers, I'm very sure they're not much biased because they're not much aware of our university, about the personalities of the university. That way, it can be a good thing for them also, hosting the events without any bias.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And I completely agree with you, sir. But I actually am immensely proud of my co-anchor right here because she's actually in the third year. And as you said, that students don't tend to participate, or they either do anchoring or they participate, either of the
Mhm.
things when they enter the third year. But Parul not only hosted CSE section of the year 2020, but also bagged the first place in the elocution round.
Yeah, it looks from her personality.
Sir,
But
I just had to, sir, I just had to tell her that, Parul, please, I really want my section to participate at least one section of, and you guys are a blend of good mixture. And Parul is a good debater also. So I thought I should give her a chance, and she just did not refuse it, and she just felt, okay, sir, I'll do it for you. So she participated, and again, that's how participation turns into winning. So that's the
Yeah.
only thing.
Thank you so
समटाइम
much.
इट
Yes, sir.
हैपेंस, क्लास में स्टूडेंट्स कई बार सोचते हैं कि चलो मैं नहीं कर रहा, कोई और कर लेगा रजिस्टर. तो सब लोग यही सोचते हैं. एक्चुअली मेजॉरिटी टेंड्स टू follow what others are thinking. Na, we have to be trend setters than trend followers. If we
Exactly.
imbibe this trait in our personality, that most of us should be trend setters, you will see that events like this would witness maybe participation of more than 1,000 students just by this thought only.
Yes.
होता क्या, कई बार हम सोचते हैं चलो मैंने नहीं किया, उसने तो कर ही लिया होगा. वो भी यही सोच रहा है कि उसने भी कर लिया होगा, और सब सोचते ही रह जाते हैं.
Right,
Yes,
right.
sir.
this
Sir,
this change.
yeah, this is actually, sir, competition is, people should take it as a competitive spirit, and obviously, if you participate, you can give yourself a chance. And competition does teach you how to lose. It does not make you a loser. So you always learn. So that's what we can expect for these people. I really am very excited to see them actually. And
Yes, sir.
most of them are told me that they are going to work with me. So I'm actually more excited to work with them.
You should not bother. हारेंगे तब भी उसमें से सीखेंगे कुछ. Never
Yes,
should
sir.
be, you should be thinking. तो होता क्या, जो fear factor है ना, वो dominate करता है. You always
Yes,
start
sir.
thinking of मैं हार जाऊंगा या हार जाऊंगी तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. Nothing will happen. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
सब एक जैसे ही हैं, सब एक जैसे ही हैं. करोगे तभी, गलती करोगे तभी सीखोगे.
Yes,
सर मैं
sir.
आपको वैसे एक जस्ट एक मिनट मतलब एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ कि मतलब व्हाट हैपेंड वाज वन वर्ल्ड 2017 में ना आई वाज नॉट डिसअपॉइंटेड फ्रॉम द टीम बट आई वाजंट हैप्पी ईदर. तो हम कुछ चीजें कर नहीं पाए थे बिकॉज हमने एग्जीक्यूशन बहुत अच्छी सोची थी. समथिंग व्हिच वुड नेवर हैव बीन डन बाय एनीवन एल्स इन द यूनिवर्सिटी. इट कुड नॉट बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. आई वाज so filled up with tears even though we won the third prize in that, but it was disappointing for us as people, and we wanted to take a lesson out of it. So what I did was, when one India 2018 was supposed to be conducted, I already thought something in my mind कि अब जो करना है हम वही रिस्क के साथ जाएंगे एंड उसको एग्जीक्यूट करने की कोशिश करेंगे और वो करके दिखाएंगे. एंड सर टू एवरीवन सरप्राइज तो नहीं था, बट इट वाज एक ही टीम दिख रही थी वहां पे कंपटीशन में, वो हमारी टीम दिख रही थी because we learned the lesson that we basically learned from One World in 2017. It's still a great lesson that I learned there.
बस रिस्क यही करना is the risk only. If you don't
Yeah.
do it, तो आप रिस्क नहीं ले रहे. करना ही रिस्क है बस. As simple as that.
Right.
ठीक है? So
Yes. So I have
okay,
given you.
Chirag.
Yes.
Yeah.
Them.
So I'll be announcing the section numbers only, Chirag. The list is it's in front of me, but the names are not properly in this visible to me. So I think the
Yes,
column
Okay.
list is missed. So let me announce by calling
Yes,
the section numbers only. Okay, Chirag?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
you can call the team name. So let's
Okay.
start with the section at third position.
all right.
So the section is K20PP, K20PP.
It's K20PP. It's the team name is Be United.
Okay. So
They have won
congratulations
the
to the
third
section.
prize because they won 2 prizes and both prizes first prizes. So that also counted in their total. And yes, they are the third prize holders there. Very good. And it is, sir, it is all, it is K20 batch. So very exciting.
Yes,
And there
sir.
must be a mentor also. There must be a teacher or faculty member who has motivated or who had put a good announcement in the section that, "Bache, please do participate." So, Chirag, let's appreciate maybe
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
Huh?
yeah.
I'm
Yes,
very
sir.
sure the students or the sections who are doing good, there must have been some good faculty mentors at the back also.
Right. They should share it, sir. We'll be having, I'll put it in an SPSC page for their the work they have done. So first year, I'm so excited.
Okay, congratulations. The section at second position is K20TS, Telangana State, TS.
TS Malorus. TS Malorus is the second prize holder of this event. TS Malorus,
Congratulations.
K20 TS.
Again, a
Yes,
first year
sir.
section.
Yes. Is
First
there
year
anyone?
selection, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Ayantika. How are you?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
Congratulations,
How are
Antika.
So she's the captain.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. Congratulations, Ayantika. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So first prize.
And
Sir,
the winning team is
dun, dun, dun. I was trying to get the background music.
yeah. So let's complete the list. The section and the winning section, the section of the year 2020 in CSE is K20 PB for Punjab.
Yes.
Fortunately, we have the home state.
All stars. It's all
Yeah.
stars who have won the section of the year. Congratulations, guys. If you are here, please one of you can speak up.
Yes, the captain or the team members from this section, K20 PB.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Aditya. How are you?
So thank you, sir, for this wonderful event. So actually, when we are
Congratulations, Aditya.
thank you, sir. Sir, I want to tell you a story, sir. Just a small story. When we were going to start this event, we were the first team to register for this event.
Oh, great.
So when we started, we have some WhatsApp calls, and nobody was ready to take part in this event. Everyone was saying that we will do in offline, we will do in LPU. So I just do one thing, collected all the people and just post a shairi there. If you guys want to hear that shairi, I can also pronounce it here also. Sir, the shairi goes like, गिरते हैं सहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरा जो घुटनों के बल चला. So basically it says if you don't participate, how you will win. So that's how I collected 5 people first, and after that 6 people, and this all procedure Chirag will help me a lot. I disturb him each and every time at 1 p.m. at night and 1 a.m. at night. I disturb him every time, but Chirag sir helped me at any time at 24/7, 365. Thank you, sir.
No issues, Aditya. God bless. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Thank you, sir.